Well, it is early. I don't normally record videos this early in the morning, but hey, when I commit to you to start sharing with you my weekly progress on all my goals, sometimes you got to get up early. Just like when we were building a real estate portfolio or we were trying to launch a new software product, sometimes you had to wake up early. Sometimes you had to stay late, do stuff on the weekends. So today is one of those days that I'm trying to lead by example. So let me share with you my weekly update, and we will just get on with our day. So, again, folks, something I'm doing is you can go to the playlist called Goals and Tracking. You can see my weekly progress here, my videos. You can also go back and watch when I was doing these years ago because I think it's important. I don't mind big goals, but you've got to break them down into activities. Activities lead to progress, they lead to celebrations, and ultimately, if done long enough, will hopefully lead to your goals. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to try to share them with you every Sunday morning. So here we go. Week two. Can you believe it? We're already in week two. So step goals. Again, I'm trying to lose some weight. Also trying to run a marathon. So kind of interesting that those work together. But we did exceed 80,000 steps. I don't normally, do like, 10,000 a day. It's very up and down, as you might imagine. Only ran 20 miles this week. We did take a trip out to Vegas, kind of lost a day, and need to figure out running routes here. Um, but yeah, less miles this week, so that's not good. Weight stayed the same. I need to start meeting some agents. I have made some introductions and others. Thank you, Catherine, and others who've made introductions. I need to follow up and move those forward. Again, I'm trying to build a buy box in a new market, and I need to do the work, just like I ask all of you. We are doing the golden tickets. We are up to 11 and 10. Again, we'll just do a running total here. So we did 7 new golden tickets and 6 new black cards. Again, it's fun to send those out. It's fun to get recognition. If you've asked for a card in the past and I haven't given you a shout out on the daily financial news, you can go ahead and follow up with me because I may have missed it. I will always give a shout out on the daily financial news, uh, usually at the end to everyone who achieved one. I do have 5 cards currently that I will use tomorrow, Monday morning. So if you if one of those fives, you'll get it Monday morning. I want to meet more people. Again, one of the things I want to do this year is go to conference as a participant. I've already paid for the Think Media one. There's a chance I will be going to WealthCon in April as well. So again, I got 2, and I need to find a third one this week. I do want to get on more podcasts. So if you have a podcast, if you know of someone, you could help me. Maybe get me on George Gammon's. That'd be pretty cool. I know a lot of fans of George Gammon watch my content. So if you could do me a favor, maybe go on one of his YouTube videos or Twitter or wherever you interact with George and let him know that he should speak with one rental at a time. That would be great. I would appreciate it. If we go to my YouTube channels, we'll just scroll down a little bit from here. 1 second, please. This guy's not used to me recording this early. He heard me talking and he's like, "Oh, what's Daddy doing?" So he came in. I apologize for that. That's what happens when you do live TV. We're doing ORAT views, so we're up to that. So 101,000, pretty good views this week. They were a lot of views were on shorts. Shout out to my team creating the shorts. Nice work. It really had some very good views this week. Subs were down. We did not hit our goal. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, you want to support the channel, that would be great. We had 191 subs this week. The daily financial news, which is again a second channel that gets 1 video a day. Usually it's the daily financial news with some additional edits. Got over 5,000 views this week, so feel pretty good about that. This channel, I think, has a chance if we do it long enough, which we will, to actually be bigger than 1 rental at a time. Why do I say that? 1 rental at a time will never be the biggest channel. I create too much content. I never get inside the YouTube algorithm, right? I get, 5, 6 videos a day, and none of them have a chance to hit the YouTube algorithm. So daily financial news has a chance if we continue to do it, to eventually work into the YouTube algorithm. So we'll see there. We did get 62 subs on the Daily Financial News, so the channel is growing. Thank you. If you want to support, you can go there, subscribe. If you want, hit the notification bell. On the Daily Financial News, you'll get one video a day. So we feel good about that. Best of ORAT, my newest channel. Thank you very much. It is now monetized. I made 87 cents. Yes, folks, 87 cents. Total baller right now. Of course, I joke. But it's slow on Best of ORAT. We are taking the best of ORAT videos from the previous week and loading one video a day. It's slow going right now. I do feel good about it. I too think this channel eventually has a chance to be bigger than the main channel. Again, for the same reason, we're only producing one video. Only 9 subs this week, nine new subscribers there. So if you want to help and move the channel forward, that would be great. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel. As you know, we have a couple of books. One rental at a time. You could find it somewhere behind my shoulder. Oh, there it is, up there. 33 books. It's still a very popular seller. In fact, 33 books 2 weeks in a row. Thank you for that. You can get it on Audible. You could find it in the links below. That would be great. We did get 4 book reviews. Again, something you could do in my goals. There's several things that you could do for me for free. One of them is go back to Amazon and write a 5-star review. I would greatly appreciate that. Again, 15 conversations with real estate millionaires has been a disappointment. I had bigger visions for that. I tried to write a book for you, the audience, and it has yet to take off. There's 15 unique stories in there, and I really thought it would be something to help people in the early years, right? See that it does pay off. So, yeah, 6 book sales and no reviews. No reviews. So if you have gotten 15 conversations with real estate millionaires, I would greatly appreciate getting some 5-star reviews. I think if we can get this book review over 100, maybe it will start selling more. I don't know. But again, 15 conversations with real estate millionaires was for you, the audience. One rental at a time really was for me to kind of go back and revisit history. So it's interesting. We do have some courses and a bunch of free stuff. It's fun to watch that. I do have the 53-year spreadsheet, which I look forward to updating shortly to the 54-year spreadsheet. Was downloaded 14 times this week. If you want it, all you have to do is go to onerentalatatime.com. There are 8 boxes, and in the lower right corner, just go click it. It will email you a copy of the spreadsheet. I do offer some free courses. Or a free course you can go to and just kind of, get the blocking and tackling of what one rental at a time is, financial independence. That was only selected 6 times last week. So again, if you want to do something, for free, you can go do that. We do offer a bunch of courses for, 47, 49, 99 bucks. We did have 5 sales this week. It seems like you guys are buying the buy box. You're buying risk management, stock trading, Dan Bird's 2-hour session, about leveraging debt equity, legends of real estate. There's a bunch there for you. So thank you for that. And then the main course, how to get started one rental at a time, $399 currently. I will be raising the price, just other things working on. But yeah, you can get that. You can get it today. I still give away 2 $50 courses if you buy that. So if you want to take this as a chance to get it and save some money, you can. $399. And then the Facebook group. The Facebook group is only available for folks who buy the main course. We had 4 new members of that course. Again, we've sold thousands of courses. So if you have the course already and haven't joined the Facebook group, you can. But also the new members, when you buy it, the Facebook group is called One Rental at a Time Works. And then just some fun other things that I've put there. Again, just trying to highlight everything we do. We have some swag, all right, some t-shirts and some coffee mugs. You can see the coffee mugs behind me. The hat I'm wearing. So again, if you want to support the channel and get some One Rental at a Time gear, you can do that. You can go to my website, look at I forget what they call it, products or something. Again, something else you can do for me for free is take some selfies. I need to create a cork board. and put all the pictures, right? Whether you take a picture of you holding my book or books, maybe you take a picture of one of your golden cards, your golden tickets, or your black cards. Just tag me on Instagram. You could send it to me directly. I just I want to blow it up. So I got 2 cards or 2 pictures last week. I'd love to get 5 a week going forward. And then finally, something I've been doing for a while but never talk about is I am an Amazon affiliate, which means I have links on my website, one rental at a time, to the books I recommend, the games we've used, only stuff that I use and recommend what I risk my reputation for. So if you'd like, you can click on the links. As I understand it, the link's good for 24 hours. Anything you buy on Amazon, I will get somehow get credit for. I don't understand how it works, but that's what people have been telling me. I've actually had them for a year or so. I just never talk about it. So might as well talk about it because it's out there. So again, if you want to support the channel, it doesn't cost you anything. You can click one of those links. And then if you are buying stuff on Amazon, I will get, I guess I get some credit somehow. So that's my week. If I look at the week, really the first couple of weeks of January, let me just go back. Let me just kind of give you my gut feel of the first 2 weeks. We're ramping on the miles, right? I did buy the Vegas Marathon in November. So I do eventually need to ramp my mileage, but we're fine. I think we're fine at 20 to 20, not 30 miles. Those will ramp as the weeks go on. So I feel good about that. I do need to meet some agents. I need to be more proactive there. I just need to be more proactive. We're on a good pace with the tickets. Again, shout out the folks getting the golden and black tickets. I feel good about the conferences. I do need to find a third one. Podcast, that's a big one. I need to be on more podcasts for sure. I think there's a way to celebrate one rental at a time in different audiences. The channels are doing what they're doing. It's slower than you would like, but I think it's slow for everyone. Best of ORAT probably needs some love, but I can work on that. Book sales, I guess it's the reviews. I'd love to get more reviews, right? The book sales are fun. It's almost 40 books last week, but only 4 book reviews. I need to ask for that. So again, do me a favor, leave 5-star reviews for either one rental at a time or 15 conversations with millionaires. I'd appreciate that. Courses are what they are. I don't talk about them much. I don't run ads, so they're never going to be huge sellers, but I know they work. They give great feedback. And then, yeah, book selfies, some swag, and Amazon links. So not bad. Start the week, get used to it. Again, sorry, it's a little early. I don't have my normal spunk. I'm, in fact, on my first cup of coffee. Usually you see me with 2 or 3 coffees in, so forgive me for that. But I wanted to make sure we're doing the work. I got up early. We're recording this, just after 6 a.m. And we will get on with some interviews later today. Have fun. Take care. Bye.